What if I told you that right now, at the very heart of our galaxy, there exists a place so strange, so violent, so unimaginable, that the very laws of physics break down? And what if I told you that falling inside one doesn't necessarily mean instant death? That somehow, in ways we are only beginning to understand, you might still be alive, inside a black hole. This is not science fiction. This is the cutting edge of astrophysics, where reality bends, time shatters, and the human imagination struggles to keep up. Welcome to the terrifying yet fascinating journey inside a black hole. Imagine standing on the event horizon, the point of no return. Space stretches, time warps, and every second feels like eternity. Outside observers would see you frozen, suspended at the edge, your image smeared across space forever. But from your perspective, you fall in normally, pulled deeper and deeper by gravity so strong it bends light itself. This is where the paradox begins. According to Einstein's relativity, once you cross the event horizon, nothing, no light, no signal, no information, can ever escape. You are cut off from the universe. Yet some theories suggest your consciousness, your very experience of reality, continues. Inside the black hole, time no longer behaves the way we know it. It doesn't move forward in a straight line. Instead, time and space switch roles. The singularity, the mysterious point of infinite density at the core, is not a place you can avoid. It is your future. Just as we cannot escape tomorrow, you cannot escape the singularity once you've crossed the horizon. Every path, every direction, every possibility leads to it. But here's the shocking part. New studies in quantum physics suggest that you may not be torn apart instantly. Instead, for a brief but mind-bending span, you could remain conscious, aware, and alive. Let's break it down. If you fell into a small black hole, the tidal forces, what scientists call spaghettification, would rip you apart atom by atom long before reaching the center. Your feet and head would be stretched in opposite directions until your body was reduced to streams of particles. Brutal, instant, over. But what if the black hole were supermassive, the kind that sits at the center of galaxies, millions or even billions of times heavier than our sun? In that case, the event horizon is so large, and the curvature of space so gradual, that you might not feel anything unusual as you crossed the boundary. No violent ripping, no sudden death, just silence, just darkness. And then the strange sensation that time itself has begun to dissolve around you. Astrophysicists at the University of California have argued that the experience might feel like floating, as if nothing catastrophic has happened, at least at first. Your body and brain could remain intact for a while. You might even perceive the universe outside continuing, though distorted, bent into bizarre shapes of light and energy. Stars, galaxies, cosmic radiation, all smeared across the horizon like brushstrokes of infinity. You would be both inside and outside, alive in one frame of reality and erased in another. Now, let's go deeper. Quantum theory tells us that information cannot be destroyed. Yet when matter falls into a black hole, it seems to vanish. This is known as the black hole information paradox. Some scientists suggest that what falls in, your atoms, your memories, your consciousness, might be encoded on the surface of the event horizon itself, like a hologram. That means part of you could still exist outside, even while you fall within. Think about that. Two versions of you, one destroyed in the abyss and one eternally imprinted on the cosmic horizon. But what's it really like inside? According to relativity, once past the horizon, you are moving through space the way we move through time. The singularity is not just a point in the middle. It is your inevitable tomorrow. Every step you take, every second that passes, carries you closer. And yet, Because of the extreme warping of time, what feels like seconds to you might be eons to the universe outside. Billions of years could pass before you reach the core, while to you it feels like only a heartbeat. You could, in a sense, survive until the death of the cosmos itself, all within the silence of a black hole. And then comes the most daring idea of all. What if falling inside doesn't end you, but transports you? Some physicists believe that black holes could be gateways, portals linking different regions of space-time. Their cousins, white holes, theoretically spew matter back out, the reverse of collapse. Could it be that the singularity is not destruction, but passage? Could you, falling into the abyss, emerge in another universe? This is the foundation of the wormhole hypothesis. Cosmic tunnels carved by gravity, allowing shortcuts through the cosmos. If true, then being alive inside a black hole might mean waking up somewhere utterly new. Now, let's not sugarcoat this. The chances are the singularity still shreds everything that enters. The mathematics predicts infinite density, infinite curvature, infinite destruction. But physics also tells us something important. Infinity is not real. Infinity is a sign that our theories have reached their breaking point. The singularity may not be an end, but a clue that there is a deeper, undiscovered law of nature beyond Einstein, beyond quantum mechanics. Perhaps what you would encounter is not death, but the next chapter of physics itself. Here's a chilling thought. If you were alive inside a black hole, could you even know it? With no signals escaping, no way to measure, your perception might dissolve into pure dream. Time could loop back on itself. Reality could fracture. You could live an eternity in an instant, or an instant stretched across eternity. To you, it would feel real. To the universe outside, you would already be gone. So, are you alive inside a black hole? The answer for now is both yes and no. Yes, in the sense that your conscious experience could continue for some time. No, in the sense that physics predicts your fate is sealed, ending at the singularity. And yet in those fleeting, warped moments beyond the event horizon, you would be witnessing a reality no human has ever known. A universe where light cannot escape, where time is broken, where existence itself is redefined. Think about it. Inside a black hole, you are not just a person. You are an experiment of nature, a traveler into the deepest secrets of the cosmos. You are alive, somehow, inside the very thing that terrifies us most. And maybe, just maybe, black holes are not tombs at all, but wombs, the birthplace of new universes, the seeds of creation hidden inside destruction. If that is true, then entering a black hole isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of something greater than we can possibly imagine. So, next time you look up at the night sky, at the silent glitter of stars, remember this. Somewhere out there, in the dark heart of a galaxy, a black hole waits. Not just to consume, but to reveal. To show us that being alive, somehow, inside the abyss, is not just a question of survival, but a question of what it truly means to exist.